Good morning, students. Let us start today's lesson with Brahmanath. शांति 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 स्वस्थ. Before entering into today's lesson, I would like to recapitulate what we had studied in the previous class with some question and answers. Who was the science teacher of Abdul Kalam? Shiva Subramanya Iyer was the science teacher of Abdul Kalam in primary school. How was he? How was the science teacher of Abdul Kalam? The science teacher Shiva Subramanya Iyer was very loving and affectionate towards Kalam. Why did he invite Kalam to his home one day? One day Shiva Subramanya Iyer invited Kalam to his home for a meal with him. Why did the wife of Shiva Subramanya Iyer refused to serve food to Kalam? You know, Kalam was a Muslim child. So, the wife of Shiva Subramanya Iyer, the science teacher of Kalam, refused to serve food to a Muslim child like Abdul Kalam. How did the attitude of Shiva Subramanya's wife change? Shiva Subramanya's wife didn't serve food, but she watched them from behind the kitchen door. The behavior, way of taking the meal and cleaning the floor of Abdul Kalam changed the heart of the wife of Shiva Subramanya Iyer. And when next time Abdul Kalam was invited to her home, she served food herself without any feelings. So after primary school, where did Kalam go? He went to the Seward Higher Secondary School for his secondary education, and then he went to St. Joseph College at Tiruchirappalli, where he graduated in physics in the year 1954. Then he joined Madras Institute of Technology. It was a very prestigious institution. Education in such a prestigious institution was not possible on the part of Abdul Kalam. So, the elder sister of Abdul Kalam, Asim Johra, mortgaged her gold ornaments for admission in the Madras Institute of Technology. So, with the help of Asim Johra, he was admitted in the degree college, Madras Institute of Technology, and he completed engineering, aerospace engineering in the year 1960. This is what we studied in the last video class. Now, we will discuss about the next 2 points. So I would advise you to open your books and follow my reading. Kalam began his career as a trainee at the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Bangalore, now called Bengaluru. Then he joined the Defense Research Development Organization DRDO as a scientist. In 1969, he was transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, where he worked as a project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3. The purpose of the SLV was to develop the technology to launch satellites. It was under Dr. Kalam's direct guidance and supervision that the first Rohini satellite was successfully launched into the orbit in 1980. After spending 19 fruitful years in the ISRO, Kalam returned to the DRDO to head the country's Integrated Missile Development Program IGMDP. Here, he took a leading role in the development of India's missiles and nuclear weapons program. The program was very successful. It led to the development of 4 missiles, namely Prithvi, Trishul, Akash, and Nag. The success of the program made him extremely popular in the country. Hereafter, he was popularly called the Missile Man of India. So, I would advise you to read the 4th and 5th and 6th point once yourself. Well done. So from the 5th and 6th point, I have collected some of the difficult words for you. Let us discuss the meaning of the difficult words. Trainee. The noun use, a person who gets training. Technology, noun form, the discipline dealing with the art or science of applying scientific knowledge to practical problems. For example, he had trouble deciding which branch of technology to study. Technical or technological, adjective form, the noun form, and adjective form, it is derivations. Examples, there is some technical problem in the engine. Launch, verb form, to start an activity. Example is given, he spent 50,000 rupees to launch the party. Orbit means the way in which the planets move around. Satellites, an object in space used for communication. Some of the abbreviations here given. HAL means Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Bangalore. DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. SLV, Satellite Launch Vehicle. IGMDP means Integrated Missile Development Program. Rohini, the name given to a series of satellites launched by ISRO, extremely, adjective used, to a very high degree. Today, the temperature is extremely hot. These are the meanings collected from 5th and 6th point of the lesson. Now I would advise you to read the points silently once. Very good. Now again look at the book to understand the points in detail. Kalam began his career as a trainee at the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. After completing his aerospace engineering in the year 1960, first time he joined as a trainee in HAL or Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Bangalore, which is now called Bengaluru. Then he joined Defence Research Development Organization. From Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, he joined in Defence Research Development Organization DRDO as a scientist. In 1969, he was transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, where he worked as project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle. So, from DRDO, he was transferred to ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, and in ISRO, he worked as the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV. The purpose of SLV was to develop the technology to launch satellites. SLV, the purpose of SLV is to develop technology to launch satellites. It was under Dr. Kalam's direct guidance and supervision that the first Rohini satellite was successfully launched into the orbit in 1980. In 1980, the first satellite, Rohini, was successfully launched into orbit in the year 1980. After spending 19 fruitful years in the ISRO, Kalam returned to the DRDO to head the country's integrated missile development program. After 19 fruitful years, successfully he completed his work 19 years in ISRO, and again he returned to DRDO to head the country's integrated missile development program, IGMDP, Integrated Missile Development Program. So he was the head of the Integrated Missile Development Program. Here he took a leading role in the development of India's missiles and nuclear weapons program. He played a vital role, a very important role in the development of India's missiles and nuclear weapons program. The program was very successful. It led to the development of 4 missiles, namely Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag. So in this program, Integrated Missile Development Program, under the direct guidance of Abdul Kalam, 4 missiles were developed, namely Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag. The success of the program made him extremely popular in the country. Hereafter, he was popularly called the Missile Man of India. The success of the program made Abdul Kalam extremely to the highest extent. He was popular in the country, and He was known as the Missile Man of India. I would advise you now to read the points silently once. Very good. I have some questions for you from these points. Where did Kalam begin his career? Kalam began his career as a trainee in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Bangalore. Where did he join after working in Hull? After working in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or Hull, he joined DRDO as a scientist. When did he transfer to ISRO? In the year 1969, Kalam was transferred to ISRO. After how many years he transferred to DRDO again? After 19 fruitful years in ISRO, he was returned to DRDO again. This is all about the lesson today. We will meet in the next class to discuss about the courses for the upcoming examination, half-yearly examination. We will discuss in revision class. Thank you very much.